On July 6, 2022, an Airbus helicopter's AS-350 B3 Écureuil narrowly avoided a crash while performing maintenance on the VA lighthouse located off the Pointe du Raz, France. The helicopter, operated by Montblanc Helicopteres Bretagne, was lifting one of the frames from the lighthouse's lantern when the situation took a dangerous turn. This is the video that uncovers what happened that day. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth air crash investigations. As we can see in the video, the helicopter became unbalanced mid-lift, causing the pilot to lose control momentarily. The load swung out of place, pinning a worker against the lighthouse wall, resulting in injuries. Meanwhile, the helicopter rapidly descended, coming dangerously close to the sea surface below. In a remarkable recovery, the pilot regained control just meters above the water, deploying emergency floating devices to stabilize the aircraft. The floating devices activated visible smoke, captured in the footage, signaling the high-stakes moment. This incident highlights the extreme skill required for aerial maintenance operations and the importance of immediate response in emergency situations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love aviation safety and air crash investigation.